Hi, I'm Garrett with IDC Woodcraft, and this CNC video is to tell you thank you from the bottom of my heart. I want to share something really special with you. You see this box here? This box on April 4th, 2 weeks ago, had 100 thank you cards in it. Now it's got one, which is now being pulled out. Every time I receive an order for a complete set of beginner CNC router bits or the surfacing bit, or buy them together, or however, any of the bits, a card gets written to somebody. In this case, this last card that's getting pulled out of the box is going to Stefan. And then I have to open up a new box of cards, 100. First card is going to be written to Peter. Peter's getting the surfacing bit, and Stefan is getting the full set. And each one of them is going to get a personally handwritten thank you card. The reason I'm sharing this with you is because I get so many emails back from people when they open up their envelopes and they say, you didn't have to do that. You know, companies don't do that. It's so refreshing. Just so many comments. Plus the other little gifts that get thrown into the package. And this, maybe I want to talk about business a little bit. It seems that companies, when you order something, you get a box and you get an item in the box and that's it. It's dry. You got what you wanted. I see it differently, right? I don't see it as another sale. And I think companies don't think about it that way. When I package this envelope up with that and that, I know that on the other end of this package is an amazing creator, somebody who has unique and special ideas that are theirs alone. No one else has those ideas. They have a beautiful imagination, and they want to create, and I want to be part of that journey. That's why one of the things I write in virtually every single card is, please send me pictures of your projects. And most people do. They send me pictures showing me what they made. Whether it's a rough project because they're brand new, or it's a beautifully crafted, expertly done project. It doesn't matter. What matters is I want to celebrate with you as part of your CNC journey and the creations that come out of your mind. That's what it all comes down to, right? We're creators. And I don't ever forget that there's another beautiful, amazing creator on the other side of this screen and on the other side of this package. And I'm grateful that I can provide the means to connect the idea to the project with the complete set of router bits that companies won't put together, by the way, because I guess companies like to sell bits and pieces, right? It's a bottom line. Anyway, I'm just grateful that I have been able to write 100 thank you cards in 2 weeks. Now I've got this little goal in my heart. Can I write 200 thank you cards in the next 2 weeks? I don't know. Well, let's find out. I love this CNC creating business and inspiring you to go for it. Just buy that machine, start creating, start learning, take the journey, and let me be a part of it. I'm here. I even schedule one-on-one time with people when they struggle. I answer all the emails. I'm getting overwhelmed with emails. So if you send me an email and I don't respond for a day, that's because I am getting more and more every day. But it's so worth it. It is so worth it. I want to share with you my dream. First, I'll tell you a little story. 6 months ago is when I first got into the CNC router journey in this way, sharing with you. I've been in CNC for many, many years and an engineer. But I picked up a CNC router because I had that creative energy. And I just started shooting YouTube videos. And 6 months later, you know, I'm here where I'm at now. Now I'm providing solutions that the beginners struggle with. Like, what's the complete set of bits that's out there? Who has them? Where can I find them? What are they for? How do I use them? How do I design? On and on and on. And I could see by what was out there, people just weren't giving. They weren't delivering. Kind of goes along with that company thing. Let me just crank stuff out. So anyway, from this, my mentoring spirit, my teaching spirit has fully blossomed into helping you. And from that, a dream has built. And my dream is to be the #1 go-to guy in the CNC router industry across the board within 3 years. That when people say CNC, they also say Garrett Fromme or IDC Woodcraft, because I want to be part of their journey. And I don't think any other CNC company out there, router machine makers, bit suppliers, ever take part in your journey. Not here, not here. So, yeah. Anyway, I got a little long-winded on this gratitude video. I just wanted to share with you how grateful I am to be part of your journey and to be an inspiration in your journey and to see the amazing creations that you make and to get the amazing emails that I get. All right, well, it's an amazing Saturday, and I am going to go down to my CNC router, which doesn't get to run a whole lot because I am busy writing thank you cards. And some days it takes about 2 hours to get these things taken care of. Anyway, I'm going to go make something. This is Garrett with IDC Woodcraft, and if you want to know about the world of CNC routers, bits, and how to use them, and the CNC machine, how it works, and the designing, subscribe to this channel. Start learning, and I'll be more than happy to inspire you and answer your questions. You have an awesome, amazing day, and happy CNCing.